Well, I'm just going to freeform through some patches. The first patch I want to try is what I had to try, taking the ToolBox out of the box. One thing the Easel has is some control voltage processing through the sliders and the inverter, but it doesn't have a real deep control voltage processor on board. So on the ToolBox, having the CV mixer is a godsend. I'm going to use the pulsar in self mode, envelope generator in self mode, out of sync with the pulsar, and then the pulsar to drive the sequencer. And I'm going to take all three various CVs and mix them in the mixer. And right now I'm just put the pulsar in self mode, and I'm sending that to just the gate so we can hear how this affects rhythms. There it's just straight eighths, if you will. By taking the envelope generator, which you can see has a slow decay, and adding that to the mix. Oh, by the way, the top knob is an attenuator, so we can take it all the way out or ramp up the volume on that. Pots 2 and 3 are attenuverters, so I'm going to take EG out, go there, and now by attenuating it negatively, we get some nice shape to this motor rhythm. And then by adding in the sequencer's voltages and attenuverting that, we can get some accents. Well, let's throw a little AM on there. We can also use that sequencer to drive pitch. We can also take that blended mixed CV out and go to timbre. And we're back to just straight rhythm. I love this. Have fun. Here's a simple way to randomize the decay of the envelope generator. The pulsar's in self-cycle mode, and it's triggering the envelope generator. On the ToolBox, the switch is in the up position, so it's just now hooked into the envelope generator on the Easel. The pulsar's driving random voltage. So if I take random voltage and come out here, here's just the straight sound, and go into decay. Now these take over. Nothing's going to happen until I adjust the decay on the Easel. And now we have random decays. While we're here, once the envelope generator is being triggered, if you flip the switch on the ToolBox down, it will automatically go into self mode. Now we can take the pulsar off. We have that in self mode. I love the never-ending explorations possible with the Easel, and especially this ToolBox. Just to give you some more information about the envelope generator and how that links up and is processed. I've got the pulsar in self mode. It's clocking the sequencer and, at this point, the envelope generator. The envelope generator switch is in the upper position, and we get, straight ahead attacks and decays. But while this is happening, if I switch to self and have the delay switch all the way to, the delay pot all the way to the left, we're going to get the combination of this rhythm and the toolbox's self. And by adjusting the delay pot, we get all sorts of different asymmetrical rhythms. Further, we can take the sequence control voltage out, go to the attack on the toolbox, slow down the attack on the envelope generator itself, and then process it with the toolbox. And while we're here, one of my other favorite things to do is to take a pulse out of the pulse sequencer and send it to pitch of the mod oscillator. Right now we have, and the pitch out, use my arm, or the pulse out going to pitch, and we can adjust that interval with the slider. I have it just doing this octave. Pretty simple patch, a lot of wonderful complexity. Enjoy. Watch this space for more patches.